Yesterday, when Captain Amrinder Singh stepped down, he didn't mince any words. He clearly, he was very openly said, and his sarcasm was not lost on anyone, where he said that, if the Congress High Command can find someone they can trust for this post, so be it. So the Congress has now decided on Mr. Channi. What more can you tell us about Mr. Channi? How does he fit the bill?
See, Channi was once a favorite person of Captain Amrinder Singh. He gave him ticket as a MLA candidate, and if you see the wishes coming from Captain Amrinder Singh, it specifically highlights again the same national security issue, that I wish all the best to Mr. Channi, the next CM of Punjab, and hope in the language conveys that he is trying to say that hope Mr. Channi, the new Chief Minister, will keep Punjab safe from external threat or the cross-border terror issue. So that is one issue which Captain Amrinder Singh has been saying all this while in this tenure as a Chief Minister, that there is a terror threat, and anybody who leads the state for Congress in Punjab needs to consider these issues, and one has to be mature leader to look after this entire issue of cross-border terrorism as well. But if you look at the career of Charanjit Singh Channi, he has been a MLA. He has had his share of controversies as well. But in the previous tenure of Akali Dal, we had seen that in the assembly, when Captain Amrinder Singh was MP from Amritsar, in that tenure for 2.5 years since Captain Amrinder Singh was MP and was not in the assembly, Mr. Channi was the leader of opposition in the assembly, and he tried his level best, and he did the best defense of Congress party in the assembly, then being on the opposition benches. And being a Dalit face is certainly what the Congress were targeting, since I have earlier mentioned as well that how Akali Dal has stitched their alliance with BSP to tap the Dalit vote bank, since Dalits have the highest population in Punjab across the country. Among all the states, they have over 31% of population, and most of the political parties are focusing to tap that vote, and Congress, being in power, appointing a Dalit CM is certainly big, because there had never been a Dalit CM in Punjab.